If we are to go by the claims of battery manufacturers, their products are supposed to last for at least 3 years. However, more often than not, this does not turn out to be the case. In general, most of us find ourselves investing in new batteries once every 1 or 2 years. Needless to say, it does add to the maintenance cost of the equipment running on those batteries. What if we say that it is possible to prolong the life of your batteries, or better still, breathe new life into your dead batteries that you had thought of discarding? You would say it sounds too good to be true. We agree, but it is indeed possible to achieve this feat, thanks to the easy battery reconditioning guide developed by Tom Erickson. So be it your car battery, phone battery, laptop battery, or as a matter of fact any other battery, you now have the power to rejuvenate any of those, and also save a lot of money and effort in that process. Sounds very interesting, right? Well then let's dive into this topic and see for ourselves what easy battery reconditioning is all about, and what it has to offer to its customers. We feel that it is worth spending on the Easy Battery Reconditioning Guide. It is put together in such an effective manner that even non-technical people like us can get a hang of it easily. The strongest point working in favor of the Easy Battery Reconditioning course is that it keeps the environment in mind, and works towards making things more sustainable. Though it is not possible to abolish the vicious cycle of toxicity entirely, this guide still helps us do our bit for Mother Nature. Additionally, the amount of savings you can make will help speed up your decision process. After all, no one would shy away from making some good savings. Also, the fact that this guide will help you explore a new avenue to earn money is a big plus. All of us use a number of gadgets that require batteries, and most of us are in possession of cars too. Needless to say, these have required us to spend on new batteries almost every year, so why not invest in something that would bring in some good returns in the long run? What more, you have your 60-day money-back policy to act as a buffer, in case you are still not sure. As a side note, you would of course know the hazards of working with dangerous substances, but if you take proper precautions, there should be no worry. The Easy Battery Reconditioning Pack provides a step-by-step approach to help you restore almost any type of battery. Click the link in the description below this video for details.